guys, today we are gonna make these two chocolate cake. Take 1 kg cake sponge. Now my mother is gonna take this cake sponge and make it into two half kg combo simple design cakes. My mother is going to cut this cake into 5 pieces equally. We are gonna take the 5th piece and eat it after baking the cake, and we are gonna make with the other 4-layer cake. So we are gonna take a tissue paper, add water on top of it, and then put the cake base so that the cake base won't fall when we roll it. Now the cake crumb coating will start. We are gonna put 1 layer of cake sponge there, then we are gonna put sugar syrup, then we are gonna put cream. We are gonna repeat this process one more time and then that's it. Don't add too much sugar syrup, or after decorating the cake will become destroyed, like it will fall off because of more water. We also added chocolate chips. If you don't have chocolate chips, you don't need to add it if you want. We are crumb coating the cake fully. After crumb coating, we are gonna put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. If you keep in the refrigerator for 5 to 4 hours, it will be good and better. We are gonna repeat the same process for another cake. The second cake is done crumb coating, and now we are gonna refrigerate it for 2 hours. Now we are gonna take the first cake out of the refrigerator after 2 hours, and we are gonna start icing and decoration now. Now we're decorating the cake simple, but if you want to decorate it in another way or creative way, you can do it however you want. We are using a 2D nozzle. We added cherry on top so that it looks nice. If you still don't have cherry, you can add whatever you want. We are adding chocolate crumbs. We are gonna do the same process to the second one. Now we are starting the icing and decoration. You can do it however design you want. We are just doing our simple design which we want. Now we're gonna add some silver leaf. If you don't have this, you don't need to add it. But this time it's having a different design. Now we're gonna add some rainbow sprinkle. This is our final look. It's very simple. This is the final look of our cake. We are gonna put it in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 hours. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.